Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. In the last video, that is in video number 4, we talked about Boolean operations. Boolean operations, that is union, intersection, and minus. In that same video, we talked about how to draw the Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. Let us recall it quickly. What are those steps? First step, step 1. Step 1. Find, always find, always find, always find A intersection B, because it will give you what is a type of Venn diagram it is. Whether it is a set, subset, disjoint set. Okay, so first find A intersection B, then check for the Venn diagram. And we already know that if A intersection B is equals to B, implies A implies B is a subset of A. So we have to draw this diagram like this. Like this we have to draw the diagram. This is for subset. This is B, outside is A, then again you have union. This is all about subset. Then afterwards again you have, if A intersection B is equal to null set, means there is no common element between these two. What is that? How to draw the Venn diagram? The Venn diagram will be like this. This is your Venn diagram. This is A and this is B and this is universal set. Okay. Now in today's class we are dealing with A intersection B. Just a minute. A intersection B. A intersection B. When we find intersection B, it is neither subset. When we find A intersection B, it is neither subset nor disjoint. Now how to proceed this? Now I am telling you how to proceed this. Okay. For an example, we will take A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Again, then B is equals to 2, 3, 7, 11, 13. Okay. These are my sets. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Now what I am doing, first I will find the Venn diagram for it. Okay, sorry. First I will find the A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B. What is the common element between these two? 2 is the common element and 3 is the common element. So 2, 3 is a common between these two. Now it's clearly you can see that 2, 3 is not the, either it is not the subset, not disjoint set. Disjoint set means when there is no common element between these two elements, that is called disjoint. So here the common elements are here, but for example, if you want to consider B, in B you are utilizing 2, 3, but what about 7, 11 and 13? They are left. They left out. Similarly, if you consider A, 2, 3 is already there, but what about 1, 4, 5? So it's clearly a case. This is a case where the set, where the intersection is neither subset nor disjoint. This is the case. And how to draw it? It's very simple. Just for example, first take one circle, name it as A. Okay. Then take one more circle, name it as B. Okay. These are our two sets. Okay. Hope you understand it. This is our how to draw. This is our complete box, and you are putting B universal symbol. And this is our B. Now how to proceed? Now first take what are the common elements. This part will talk about common part. This part is common for both A as well as for B. So what is the common element between A and B? 2, 3. So we have to use this 2 comma 3 here. So we have to use this 2 comma 3. This 2 comma 3 is common for both A and B also. So this is B for example. This 2 comma 3 is for both A and B. Okay. Now for this circle A, already you utilize 2 3. What is left out? 1 4 5. So you have to take 1 4 5 as your numbers. 1 4 5. Hope you understand. So with this, in this complete circle, you can clearly understand that 2 comma 3 is common to both A and B. So here for set A, your elements are 1, okay, 4, 5, 2, 3. Hope you understand. This is for complete set A. This is for complete set A. For set B, how you have to write? 2 comma 3 is already there in the Venn diagram. 7 11 13 is missing. So 7 11 13, what I am doing, I am drawing here 7 11 13, 7 11 13. These are your elements. This is how you have to proceed. Hope you understand it clearly. Okay, now please thank you very much. Have a nice day.